If you don't like turbulence but still love flying, then buckle up. Boeing's financial saga is one wild ride. Cash-strapped Boeing is in a tighter spot than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner. With a strike grounding its commercial airplane production and years of safety issues haunting them, Boeing's looking to Wall Street for a $35 billion lifeline. CEO Kelly Ortberg's trying to steady the ship by cutting 10% of the workforce. But that's not the only turbulence. Boeing's credit rating is hovering just above junk bond status, making borrowing more expensive. And speaking of borrowing, Boeing's long-term debt has soared to a staggering $53 billion. Ouch! Despite these setbacks, Boeing's still crucial in the airline industry, sharing a duopoly with Airbus. So, while they're caught in a financial storm, their essential role keeps them afloat, for now. But with ongoing strikes and production delays, the immediate future's looking as cloudy as ever. Stay tuned, investors. This flight's got a lot of turbulence ahead.